Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome to my channel. And it's been so long. I'm doing a talk through video, like a makeup tutorial talk through video. Generally makeup tutorial talk through videos मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ, but this is one brand makeup look and I also want to share my recommendations for this brand because the Black Friday sale is going on and I really want all of you to take the best from this brand because it's a really good chance that you can spend your money on those products which are actually really worth. The brand is, जैसे कि आप टाइटल में देख रहे हैं, Cups and Lashes. I honestly love the product and I'm so happy because ये जो brand है ये एक co-YouTuber का brand है and she's doing so good. Nidhi is doing so good with all her work with launching new products and good quality products, especially in a very affordable price. So I really admire her for that and I really wish her success. I know building a brand can be like really difficult. अब मुझे खुद से कोई experience नहीं है, but even if I think of doing something like this, it takes a lot of courage and a lot of preparation. Like, you know, मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती, but she is doing it, which is great. So I already have a lot of products from Cups and Lashes, but I also got few products more from their Black Friday sale, which is going on. So इनकी जो sale है start हुई थी 22nd November. It will be running till 28th November. So yeah, you still have time to get your hands on the products. So I wanted to do one brand tutorial for Cups and Lashes from a really long time because now they have almost everything for face. चाहे वो fake lashes हो, चाहे वो skin care हो, चाहे वो blush हो, eyeshadows हो and lipsticks हो, they have everything. So ये मैं बहुत पहले से करना चाहती थी, but कुछ चीज़ें missing थी which I got during this sale. So I'm just gonna start the full face of Cups and Lashes now. So the very first thing is I will be prepping my skin because I really believe that prepping your skin can enhance your makeup to another level. So वो मेरे लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ होगी. So I don't have much of the skincare from them. I only have their glow serum. It has glycolic acid and aloe vera. Glycolic acid is good exfoliant and aloe vera is a soothing product for your skin. So यहाँ पे मैं उनका glow serum ले रही हूँ जो कि glycolic acid वाला है. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna zoom in. Yeah, so that you can see a little better. It doesn't come with a dropper. मुझे लगा था dropper होगा but नहीं मिला मुझे. It's like a watery consistency है. But it is slightly thicker than water. Clearless hair. So this is the first time I'm trying their skincare product. Basically, I've tried their makeup products, but this is the first time मैं skincare कर रही हूँ. I like it as for now because you can see my skin is feeling really hydrated and bouncy. But I still feel कि मुझे अभी और hydration की ज़रूरत है. I'm just gonna take a little bit more because अब winters का आगमन हो चुका है, onset हो चुका है. So yeah, I'm just taking and just packing it really nicely into my skin. My lips as well, my lips are super dry. They get dry a lot. Be it summers or winters, lips मेरे बहुत dry होते हैं. Okay, so I'm liking it. I like it. The texture of the serum is nice. I do feel my skin is prepared for the makeup now. So let's get started with the makeup. So the very first product recommendation is my favorite product. ये मैं सबको recommend करती हूँ जो भी like मेरी personal life में भी मुझसे पूछते हैं if they want a good base or a corrector or a concealer, I recommend it. This is their cover pots and they have variety of shades in this. चाहे आप fair हो, medium हो या dark skin हो, you will get your shade. Also they have correctors as well. So yeah. So सबसे पहले I will be taking their corrector which is the peach corrector in the shade number 15. Corrector, concealer, whatever you want to say. And इसके साथ ही मेरी second recommendation होगी apart from their cover pot is this brush. Specifically this is their Cups and Lashes FN19 brush. It is a very good concealer brush, one of my favorite, and it is very similar to PAC 19 brush, I think, concealer 19 brush. very similar to that. Pack 219 I suppose, and I'm just gonna apply it. So सबसे पहले recommendation मैं यही बता रही हूँ कि अगर आप affordable brushes ढूंढ रहे हैं so you can go for Cuffs and Lashes. They have really good quality brushes at a very good price. Beginner friendly है, so if you're a beginner and you want to own a set of brush, you can go for Cuffs and Lashes. Of course, they are available on Amazon as well, just in case you're wondering. So I'm just applying the corrector, and can you see the difference? कैसे इसने neutralize कर दिया मेरे darkness को. So basically we need neutralization only, because as a corrector का यही काम है कि वो डार्कनेस को न्यूट्रलाइज करे, जो भी आपकी अनइवन पिगमेंटेशन है फेस पे उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करे, ताकि जो भी आप फाउंडेशन लगाएं वो आपके अच्छे से ब्लेंड इन हो जाए, लाइक सीमलेस फिनिश आए, वो ग्रे एरियाज जो होते हैं फेस में वो ना आए, जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो ऑलरेडी न्यूट्रलाइज हो चुकी है. कैन यू सी how much difference it made on my skin? और मैंने सिर्फ कहाँ लगाया है, around my eyes, over my lids, around my nose and around my mouth, and इधर अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, but you can still see the difference. So that's why I love it. And with this brush you really need a tiny product. I'm not taking a lot of product, so जितना required है ना उतना ही लग रहा है, ज़्यादा नहीं लग रहा. And if you feel it's too drying, because कई बार dry skin वालों को ये उतना सूट नहीं कर रहा है, so you can always apply any face oil and then you can blend. You can see a difference. ब्लेंडिंग में आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी डिफरेंस आपको फील होगा कि ब्लेंड अगर करना मुश्किल हो रहा है. सो यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई एनी फेशियल ऑयल बिफोर यूजिंग दीज कवर पॉट्स. या यू कैन सी यहाँ पे एक मेरा एक्ने स्कार था, ये भी काफ़ी हद तक न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया है. आई कुड हैव यूज्ड द ग्रीन करेक्टर बट इट्स नॉट वेरी रेड राइट नाउ, बिकॉज अभी ये स्टार्टिंग है इसकी, अभी रेडनेस उतनी आई नहीं. So it will get covered when I will put another cover pot shade जो कि as a foundation मैं use करूँगी. Alright, so now I have neutralized my face using a corrector. अब मैं eyes पे जाऊँगी because I love using eyeshadows before my foundation, because sometimes you get fallout, so it's easier to get rid of them अगर आपने बेस नहीं किया हुआ तो. Another recommendation which I highly recommend is their Enchanting palette. It's so affordable palette, और आपको इस पैलेट में ब्लैक आई शेडो के अलावा जो कि नीडेड है होता है काफ़ी, आई थिंक हर शेडो मिल जाएगा. इवन you get glitters in this palette, and it's so affordable guys. You're getting brights as well, you're getting neutrals as well, you're getting glitters as well, and you're getting some brown eyeshadows as well. Neutrals यहाँ पर भी हैं, and there are some shiny satin finish eyeshadows as well, और काफ़ी matte eyeshadows भी हैं. So it's a very worth the price palette, I would say. The only thing which I feel is missing is a black eyeshadow, because अगर आपको कुछ smoky करना है then you definitely need to add black to it, which is missing in this. But otherwise I think this palette is complete in itself apart from the black eyeshadow. So आपको glitter यूज़ करना है, आप glitter यूज़ कीजिए. आपको satin finish shimmery shades यूज़ करने हैं, आप वो कीजिए. आपको matte कुछ यूज़ करना है, आप वो कीजिए यूज़. neutral eyeshadows आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं वो कीजिए. So yeah, I think it's a very good palette for that. So I'm just gonna use this palette. I have a bunch of their eyeshadow brushes as well, but I think my brushes अभी मेरे पास सब random पड़े हुए हैं. So I'm just gonna use जो भी मेरे सामने हैं. I'm not gonna use a specific set of Cuffs and Lashes brushes, but they have a very good eye brushes in the collaboration with Chai Styles. You can go if you want to purchase eye brushes, so आप वो collaboration वाले अगर आप use करेंगे that will be a better option. Face brushes definitely go for Cuffs and Lashes की जो original range है, they are much better. I'm just taking a neutral eyeshadow, this brown, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. And I think I'm just gonna do my eyebrows as well using this palette only. It has a darker brown, so this is the first shade. So I'm just gonna add like a burgundy color to the outer corners just to deepen it, because they don't have any black eyeshadow, so I need to use dark eyeshadow to deepen the eyeshadows. So मैं बहुत ही सिंपल सा लुक करूँगी. I'm not experimenting for this look, and by taking a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges, and I'm just gonna take a creamier shade. यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी under my brow bone. Now on the lids, should I go with satin or matte? I'm a little confused. Okay, I'm using this really nice bronzy color. It's satin finish, and I'm just gonna pop it here. And बहुत ही buttery soft eyeshadows है, pigmented हैं. What else you need if you're a beginner and you want to practice? I think this is the one palette you can go for because you're getting glitters as well in a very affordable price. Inner corners पे भी थोड़ा सा lighter shimmery shade just to open up my eyes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead with the eyeliner. Again, Cups and Lashes के अपने eyeliners हैं, very affordable. They also have a colored range of ColourPop eyeliners. Again, I would recommend them, so that comes under my recommendation as well. So I'm just gonna apply the black liner, which is my favorite one. I'm using the black eyeliner. It is called Pitch. Really good black eyeliner. One of the best eyeliner in the affordable range in the market, I would say. Okay, I'm done with the eyeliner, and now I'm just gonna try the new thing, new launch actually, which are their lashes. So I'm very super duper excited to try them out. I have 4 of their lashes style: Leh, Darjeeling, Lungli. I hope I'm pronouncing it right because I don't know कि ये कैसे pronounce करते हैं. Also, I have the Khajuraho one. I think I'm just gonna go with the Leh one. I think this is more of my style. The packaging is nice. It retails for 199 rupees, but I think it's around 159 right now on sale. And I think 159 की अगर आपको good quality lashes मिल रही है ना, that's a very good deal. They also have a glue, their own glue. It retails for 250, but definitely if you buy like together, you will be paying less. So I'm just gonna try the glue as well. So generally मुझे glues पसंद नहीं आती, but I'm just gonna see whether this one works for me or not. Okay, I thought the applicator is more like a liner, but this is a doe foot applicator, so पहले lash पे ही लगाना पड़ेगा. You can't really just pop onto your lash line and just. So I'm just gonna take out the lash in the style Leh. So this is the style. Love the style. और अभी हाथ में पकड़ने से भी the quality looks good. Let's just see how it behaves when I apply it. Oopsie. So the glue is very liquidy as of now. I wasn't expecting this. So okay, I would definitely not recommend you the glue, but definitely you can go for the lashes because the lashes looks really nice. The glue is very liquidy. I don't know it's the सिर्फ मेरा ये batch ऐसा निकल रहा है या फिर actually it's very liquidy. Should be ideally a little thicker. So I'm just gonna wait ताकि ये थोड़ी thick हो जाए and लगाने में आसान हो जाए. Okay, I'm just gonna pop the lash right in the center. So lashes seems to be good, but I didn't like the glue. So definitely go for the lashes, not for the glue in this sale period. And I don't have any mascara from them, so I'm just gonna skip the mascara because lashes already लगा ली हैं. Alright, so lashes are on. I like the lashes. Lashes are really good. But I didn't like the glue. Definitely go for the lashes. Glue आप दूसरी ले सकते हैं. They have other glues as well on their site. Anyways, apart from the Cups and Lashes brand, I would like to recommend few more brands जो कि आप Cups and Lashes site से purchase कर सकते हैं. I really love their You Can Be Fruit Pie Filling Palette. A good palette. कोई भी occasion हो, कुछ भी हो. This is an all-in-one palette. You can get brights, nudes, black. बहुत अच्छी palette है. So when I went to a wedding of my cousin, this was the only palette जो कि मैं लेकर गई थी साथ में. एंड आई थिंक दिस डिड इट्स जॉब ब्यूटिफुली. बहुत अलग अलग तरह के लुक्स क्रिएट कर पाई इसके साथ. ऑल्सो आई वॉज एबल टू फिल माई आईब्रोज एज वेल. सो दैट्स माई रिकमेंडेशन. इसके अलावा आई वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू गेट दिस, स्पेशली अगर आप मेकअप लवर हैं and you want to save some space, then you can just definitely depot and your favorite eye shadows. और आप इस तरह की Z पैलेट ले सकते हैं जिसमें कि आप मैग्नेटिक पैलेट है तो वो पैन्स रख सकते हैं. आई ऑलरेडी हैव 2-3 Z पैलेट्स इन माई वैनिटी, बट वो मैं बाहर से लेकर आई थी, US से लेकर आई थी. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट देयर इज़ अ ब्रांड इन इंडिया जो कि एक्चुअल में Z पैलेट्स अवेलेबल कर रहा है. एंड सो you can definitely go for this if you're looking for one. So that is my recommendation for sure. So eyes are done. I'm just gonna go with the lower lash line बाद में. पहले हम करेंगे face. So face, my foundation color is 09 Almond in their cover pot. Love this stuff. So again, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि अगर आपकी ड्राई स्किन है, आई हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन, आई डू गेट ड्राई पैचेस. सो तब आपको काफ़ी ड्राई लग सकती है. बट अगर आपकी ड्राई है देन डेफिनेटली मिक्स सम ऑयल एंड देन यूज़ इट ऑन योर फेस ताकि आपको ब्लेंड करने में आसानी हो. सो हियर आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ कंसीलर ब्रश एंड जस्ट गोना अप्लाई over my face just using a concealer brush. My skin is already prepared. अच्छे से प्रेप किया है मैंने. एंड आई एम न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन. सो इफ़ यूर न्यूट्रल अंडरटोन दिस इज़ द शेड यू कैन गो फॉर. वार्म अंडरटोन है तो यू कैन टेक अ शेड लाइटर देन दिस, लाइक इफ़ यू माई स्किन टोन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे लगा लिया है एंड इट हैज़ रियली गुड कवरेज, सो यू डोंट नीड अ लॉट. ये मैं बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. इट्स अबाउट टू गेट एम्प्टी. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना ऑर्डर मोर. सो इट्स अ मस्ट हैव. Yeah, so definitely cover pots are my first recommendation. Then I will be definitely suggesting you their sponge. This one especially, they have two, this and this. This is a little harder. I won't recommend this, but ये 20 something का है उनका. This is a really good one and it blends products really nicely. So I'm just going to use the flat surface ये वाली. I'm just going to start blending. You can always use their brushes, जो कि मैं पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ. द फेस ब्रशेस इज़ अमेजिंग. बट अगर आप ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड करना पसंद करते हैं, दिस इज़ अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल ब्लेंडर एंड बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है. कैन यू सी हाउ नाइसली इट ब्लेंडेड द कवर पॉट. अगर आपको कवरेज ज़्यादा चाहिए, डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो विद द फाउंडेशन ब्रश. बट माई स्किन इज़ प्रीटी good these days. I don't need much coverage. That's why I went with the beauty blender. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight as well with the cover pot. और highlight के लिए मैं use करूँगी उनका 06 Warm Sand, which is this one. It is a little bit yellow undertone वाला cover pot. So I'm just gonna take the concealer brush again and I'm just gonna highlight. Highlight blend करने के लिए I would be using a brush, because I think that works better for me at least. And I'm just gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, forehead. So highlight blend करने के लिए I'm using their concealer brush again, which is F019. It is very similar to the back one, 219. So ये मैंने पहले भी recommend किया है. So you can just go with that. And the best part about this these cover pots is कि मुझे ना इनको set करने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, especially इस मौसम में, विंटर्स में, बिकॉज दे आर सेल्फ सेटिंग. बट यू नीड टू वर्क क्विकली विद दैम ताकि आप ब्लेंड आसानी से कर पाएँ. अदरवाइज इट कैन टेक यू अ लिटिल टाइम while you blend. So I completely love the formulation of these cover pot and they works magic. Can you see? फटाफट से blend हो गए. Happy. I am happy because I don't need to set it because it's winters. And जब आप पाउडर भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, your makeup looks cakey and इसके साथ वो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and eyebrows के लिए मैं again I'm using, I don't think so they have any eyebrow product, but I'm just gonna use the Ingenuity palette and I'm gonna use this brown. This is the darkest brown they have. So इसी से ही मैं अपनी eyebrows जो हैं fill in करूँगी. Okay, I also got this brush. This is their multitasking brush. I got it this time because ये मेरे पास पहले नहीं था. And lot of people rave about this brush, so I'm just taking out any fallout जो कि मेरे nose पे गिरा था थोड़ा सा when I was doing my eyebrows. Anyways, so I really don't need to powder my skin. I don't feel like. Moreover, I don't think so they have any powder. Yeah, but I think this is a great brush. Another one of my recommendation. You can use it as a blush applicator. आप bronzing भी बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. Overall face powder भी कर सकते हैं. And as it says, it is a multitasking brush, and this is F014, so definitely you can go for it. And ये कई बार out of stock जा चुका है, so it's a very good brush. So yeah, this comes also under my recommendation. And now I'm just gonna do my lower lashes with the Enchanting palette of course, and make. So I'm taking a purplish color for my lower lash line, just to थोड़ा सा लग लुक लाने के लिए. I'm just gonna use the purple eyeshadow to smudge my lower lashes. Small blending brush की लेकर I'm just gonna smudge it. Okay, I think we're good. Another recommendation, जब brushes की बात हो रही है, तो I would definitely recommend this. This is a brush, Cups and Lashes का with Shy Styles collaboration. This is called CS01. Amazing flat brush. It is good for cutting your crease. Really good brush, you can go for it. My recommendation. Okay, now coming on to the face, I'm just gonna do some contouring. So another recommendation are these palettes. These are amazing. You can go ahead with the individual blushes, contour and highlighters as well, but अगर आप प्रोफेशनली करना चाहते हैं, then definitely I would recommend you palettes. I love these palettes. This is the contouring palette, sculpted, contoured and chiseled. Northern Lights Glow highlighter palette, really good. Then their blush palette, which is called Just Say Cheese. Beautiful palettes, and तीनों ही मैं recommend करती हूँ. अगर आप प्रोफेशनल यूज़ के लिए लेना चाहते हैं, go for them. अगर आप पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए लेना चाहते हैं, you can go for their Cuppy Cakes blushes and contours and highlighters, because वही shades individual sell हो रहे हैं जो कि इस palette में है. So मैं ले रही हूँ chiseled palette, and I'm taking this soft brown as contouring. आप cream contour करना चाहते हैं, then definitely you can go with their cover pots, but I prefer powder contours over cream contours. Cream contours can look heavy, and I recommend this brush as well, Cups and Lashes F018, because especially nose contour के लिए this is a really good one. You can actually like draw the straight line and just blend it. They have a bigger brush as well in this. I recommend that. वो भी मुझे वो मिल नहीं रहा, पता नहीं कहाँ गया. Yeah, this one. This is F017. You can just use this like on hollows of your cheeks. And also, like अगर आपको line draw करने में problem आती है nose की, you can just take one dip in the contour product and just one line here, one line here. Can you see? And just blend it. That's it. So अगर इन दोनों में से अगर आप मुझे पूछें which one to go for, I would ask you to go for the bigger one, because उससे nose contour भी हो जाएगा. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna contour the hollows of cheeks as well, and I'm just gonna blend ऊपर की तरफ इस तरह से. I'm just gonna start blending. You can use another brush as well for blending, but I think I'm just gonna go over with the blush and then I will blend them together. So really good palette, definitely goes into my recommendation. Then my favorite palette out of all these three palettes, my favorite is the blush palette. So I think I'm just gonna go with their multitasking brush, which is this one. I'm just gonna mix 2-3 blushes and I'm just gonna apply, because I love applying now blushes, like 2-3 blushes mix करके apply करना मुझे पसंद आता है, because I think it just enhances the blush. And can you see how the contour is also getting blended with the blush? And I'm just applying the blush पीछे, because if you want to look chiseled, this is the right way to apply the blush. And if you want a very healthy looking cheeks, then definitely you can just apply it right here on apples of your cheeks. But let's just go for the chiseled look today, and look how it is blending with the contour. And then a little bit On nose, I love applying blush on my nose. Then lastly, I'm just gonna apply highlighter, and I'm gonna use my Northern Light Glow palette. ये मेरी थोड़ी सी टूट गई थी, especially the dark color, this one, so I just can't like show you like this because it will fall. But I'm using a champagne shade. I'm just gonna apply to the highest points of my face, here, nose, a little bit on the brow bone, like this. Just gonna apply like here as well. Alright, so done with the highlighter, blush, contour, and look at the glow. Love this palette as well. Now, my recent purchase from Cuffs and Lashes, which I'm super duper excited to try because I haven't tried it before, but abhi sale lagi thi, so I thought why not. So this is their lipstick. This is their Cuffs and Lashes matte 5-in-1 lipstick. It comes in 2 shades, एक nude है, एक bright है, and just guess कि मैंने कौन सा choose किया होगा. And I think most of you are kind of right. I chose the nude one because nudes are my go-to colors. So nude stick मैंने choose की है. I'm just gonna see which one to go for because मैं couple of काफ़ी shades हैं. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with this one. Then we'll mix and match. We'll see. I'm just gonna apply this. It's really creamy, easy to apply, and I'm just gonna fill in with another shade, I think. So this reminds me of those pencils जो कि हम बचपन में use करते थे. I'm sure most of you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, I love it. Love the lipstick, especially 2 colors mix करके, तो like it is looking really pretty. Love it on myself, and that almost completes my full face makeup using Cuffs and Lashes products. But I still have to recommend a few more things. Definitely this comes under my recommendation because I think it has a really nice creamy texture. It looks matte. You can obviously make it more matte using a powder like transfer proof आप बना सकते हैं, but I don't think so it's transfer proof. Yes, it's getting transfer, so it is matte but transfer proof नहीं है. But I like this because it's very affordable. 300 something की है, 325 I guess, and you're getting 5 shades. Very good for traveling, so definitely comes under my recommendation because the quality and the way your lips feel, like they feel very comfortable. My lips are generally dry, but it's still very moisturizing, so it definitely goes under my recommendation. Now to seal everything, I am gonna use a 20-something makeup fixer from them. Again, it's by Cuffs and Lashes only. The Cuffs and Lashes by NK, like Nidhi Katyar, and 20-something is Nidhi's own brand. So yeah, shake it really well, and I'm just gonna spray this. This smells really good. I have used a couple of times. I loved it. I'm just gonna let it dry. Till the time it's getting dry, I want to recommend one more brush which I highly recommend from Cuffs and Lashes is their F016 brush. Beautiful brush. You can do a lot of things with this as well. This is also a multitasker brush. आप अपने under eyes पे powder set कर सकते हो. You can apply blush as well. You can apply your foundation. You can blend your foundation with this as well. So it is a multitasking brush. You can definitely check this out. You can go for it. This is a dupe of one of the PAC brushes, one of the best sellers of PAC brushes, and number 47 from Sephora brush. It's a dupe of that, so you can definitely check it out. It's very good. My recommendation. बहुत ही अच्छा brush है in a very budget friendly price. So this is how the whole looks turned out to be using all Cuffs and Lashes products, even the skincare. So I'm super happy with the look. So I'm just gonna do my hair and I'm just gonna be back really soon. So this is how the whole look looks like. I'm super happy. My skin looks really nice. I already love their cover pot, so base तो उसी का ही है, but other products as well, their highlighter, their blush, their contour, their lipstick, the eyeshadows, the liner, the lashes, everything is nice and good quality except the lash glue. I didn't like it. So उनको छोड़ के जो भी मैंने इस मेकअप लुक को क्रिएट करने के लिए यूज़ किया है, आई रिकमेंड दैट, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो एडेड फ्यू मोर रिकमेंडेशन फ्रॉम देयर साइट जो कि यू कैन गो फॉर इट, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी 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 गुड साइट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर प्रोडक्ट इन अ बजट. आपको बहुत सी अच्छी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी कम बजट में. यू कैन definitely try out. So yeah, that's it for the video, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Let me know if you want more one brand tutorial just like this, not voiceover, just like this, ताकि मैं recommend भी कर सकूँ चीज़ें. And if you want it with the voiceover one brand tutorial, also do let me know. Whatever you want, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to hear that, hear the feedback, and I will be happy to work accordingly. So yeah, that's it for the video. और अगर आप पहली बार मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon ताकि मेरी कोई भी नई अपलोड आपसे मिस ना हो जाए. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye bye.